Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken wraps using our home canned chicken breast. I have had a number of requests from my viewers asking to show several ways on how we use our home canned goods. So this is another one of those videos. So first up, I'm going to empty my jar, and this was canned with just a little bit of chicken broth on it. And the rest was just juice from the chicken. I did drain that. And now I'm just going to kind of mix that around and break that up, so I don't have such big pieces of chicken in my wrap. Another way you can fix your chicken at this point is just to shred it and put a little barbecue sauce on it. But today I'm making chicken wraps. And I'll have enough of this mixture because my husband already had lunch and he used it as chicken salad, a jar. So I'll have enough of this for another day once I get it made up here. And this is just a little tool. I use it mostly to cook hamburgers and sausage. But it kind of works for helping to break up the chicken as well. I still want some nice healthy chunks, just not, 1 to 2 inch chunks that I have in my canned jar. And I probably should have kept a little of the juice for warming it, but okay. So next up, I am going to dice up some bell pepper and onion. Whoops. And it won't take much onion, just a little bit. I like lots of flavor in my wraps. So we're just going to dice it and throw that right in the pan. And I probably like a little more veggies in mine than some people, but to each their own. Put however much you like into it. I'm probably going to put at least half of the pepper, if not a little more in. I like bell peppers. And I'm going to use just a little bit of onion. Oh, maybe a tablespoon or so. I just kind of cut the end off here to chop off. Again, if you like a lot of onion, use more. Okay, I'm just going to start to warm this through. Remember, it's fully cooked. It was canned raw, but of course you do it for 90 minutes, so the meat is fully cooked. I want it to kind of cook those peppers, and just for a little more flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Not too much, you don't want it too strong. And I'm going to add just a little bit of a pat of butter. It's kind of trying to stick here. Smelling good. Probably should have put the butter in the pan before I started. This is where if I would have reserved just a little bit of the juice, it would have been good to give it a little more moisture. course, if you like hot peppers, you could put hot peppers in this. I don't care for them, so I'm sticking to the sweet peppers. Then I'm going to add cheese. I'm going to just kind of sprinkle that over because I want it to get all nice and gooey in the pan. That's probably a good 1/2 to 3/4 cup there. Add a little salt and pepper. Because I don't put any spices in when I can my chicken, so that however I fix it, I can decide what to put in it. I can hear the peppers and onion kind of sizzling. And again, however long you cook it is up to you. The chicken is fully cooked. I like my peppers and onions still pretty much on the firm side. Another option you could do is to saute them in a separate small pan and then add them, incorporate them into the chicken. Oh yeah, it's getting nice and gooey with all that cheese in it. I really wish you could smell this. Oh. Okay, now I'm just gonna turn the heat off and put it in a wrap. And I like pretty healthy servings in mine. Remember to scoot it a little more to the top here. Fold up the bottom and do a wrap. And again, mine's pretty healthy filled. So there you go. A chicken wrap. Nice, hot, fresh for dinner. Or for lunch. In this case, I'm eating them for lunch. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos on your social media. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our channel and our homestead. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.